I don't know much about physics, so I'm going to ask this like simply, and maybe you already answered this. Do you reject the possibility of a non-physical reality interacting with this physical reality? And do you like acknowledge it, the possibility of it, through seeing the effects it might have on the physical reality? I'm thinking of like the study of like the smallest entities of an atom, and yeah, and also just the power of attraction. What is it?
Well, the two of us share something. I don't understand physics either, so we're in the same. And in fact, I don't think physicists understand it, and they're pretty open about it. But you see, you can't ask the question about interaction between physical and non-physical until you tell us what physical means. Okay, you've at least got to be able to tell us what physical means in order for the question to be answered. But there hasn't been any concept of physical for hundreds of years. There was one in the early scientific revolution, a very intuitive concept of the physical. That's what inspired Galileo, Descartes, Leibniz, Newton, Lagrange, many others all throughout the modern history of science. But it's been recognized, but it was already recognized after Newton that it's gone, like Locke recognized it, Hume recognized it. For Hume, it's not only gone, it's a total mystery beyond our intellectual capacities. And that we can speculate about, but it's certainly gone. And no one has proposed anything else. The physical these days are things that Newton would have regarded as total absurdities, like curved space-time. How can that be physical? Quantum entanglement. I mean, Einstein regarded that as non-physical because it's so absurd. But now scientists just accept it. Physical is just anything we more or less understand. And if that's the only notion of physical we have, there can't be interaction between physical and non-physical. Non-physical will be all the things we don't understand. If we ever get to understand them, they'll be physical.